Hello guys, today we are going to be making a healthier version of brownies. I know how that sounds, but listen, trust me, it's not that many different ingredients. Just using a lot of non-bleached products. For instance, my flour, I'm using whole spelt flour. Yeah, and I'm using olive oil instead of butter. But yeah, I'm still gonna give you guys the actual recipe that I previously used to make homemade brownies from scratch. No box, no pre-made anything, from scratch. Alright, so let's get started. First, we add our 1 1/4 cup of sugar. And then you're going to add your 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And like I said, I'm going to be doing olive oil instead. Okay, so then you're going to add your 1/2 teaspoon of salt and your teaspoon of vanilla. And then you're going... Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. To add, alright, and then you're going to add your teaspoon of baking powder. I don't know if anybody else didn't know what the difference between baking powder and baking soda was, but there's definitely a difference. Just make sure it says exactly baking powder when you go to your local grocery store, and make sure you get the correct thing. And then you are going to add your 3/4 cup of baking cocoa powder. The reason why I'm mixing it together like this is because, they don't really know how to make things from scratch, just because, they think it's going to take a whole lot of mixing, but it really doesn't. Just, it depends on how you do it. If you put all your dry ingredients together and then, didn't add the liquid ingredients, it'll help with your mixing. And that's definitely something to keep in mind, especially when you're trying to make something that's quick, easy, and still tastes good. Alright, so next we are going to be adding 2 large eggs. And like I said, it doesn't require a lot. A lot of people don't know when you're mixing a lot of eggs in, you want to start with the yolk. And usually mix with a fork, okay? I've seen people mix with a spoon. I just don't understand how that helps them. But, I mean, hey, maybe they have a technique that they've mastered. But this technically works better for me. So yeah, we're just going to mix this in until it's well blended. Alright, and now we're going to add your 1/2 cup of flour. Basically, the reason why I added the flour last is because flour is, I'm not going to say the base, it's not the main base, because the cocoa is as well in the eggs, but flour has to be distributed evenly, okay? So I make sure I got everything mixed in, and then I add my flour, okay? And I don't know if you can see with the camera, but my flour, the difference between the flour that I'm using right now and the flour that the most people use, is my flour is non-bleached. A lot of flour, all-purpose flour, is bleached, and this flour is a lot healthier for you. Okay, and me personally, I wanted some marshmallows in mine. You can add 1/2 cup of walnuts, or 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, or both, or 1/2 cup of marshmallows. It's up to you how much you want to add, but 1/2 cup is usually, the recommended, just to make it even. But it's really up to preference. But yeah, that's what I wanted, was marshmallows. Added a little decent amount. And good to go. Alright, so let me explain, okay? So basically what happened was I was just going to put marshmallows in it. But I ended up putting Rice Krispies in it because, you know, I don't know. I thought it was going to be crispy, but then I thought about it after I did it. Like, nah, probably not. But this is what it looks like during the process. It's actually almost done. I just do this just because the marshmallow kind of have it inflated a bit. We want to make sure that it's all cooking thoroughly. Looks really, really good, okay? Listen. I need some vanilla ice cream, and we are golden. Kind of like, oh, like a rocky road. All I need is some almonds. I have some pistachios. I should have did that. Yeah. But anyway, guys, definitely something to try. I love to experiment just because who likes to eat the same old thing every single time they cook? And especially if you have kids, they would love to, you know, be the taste testers to your experiments. This is my final product. It was kind of falling apart just because it was still hot, just because I wasn't being patient. But usually if you give it about 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes to stand, maybe 5, to cool down once you take it out of the oven, then it all should be good. Generally, it didn't take that long to cook. It took maybe about 20 minutes. Not even, maybe 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes to cook. And yeah, it's kind of like a bark. Well, you know what like brownie bark is? It's kind of like the consistency is it is. Just super nice, soft in the middle, gooey because of the marshmallow. Definitely something I'm about to be munching on. So that'll be it today, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos. My name is Amaria, in case you don't know. And I'll catch you guys later.